Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz. In this tutorial for Book2Act, I just want to show you what my schedule looks like. So what I've done is I've looked a week ahead so you could see my calendar and my availability. So when you click on the link for Book2Act, you will come to a calendar. And this calendar has a little logo, not a huge logo, and it just suggests pick a time that you want to book with me. One of the things that I'm a little torn about that I'm not sure if I care to use is this time slots to book. Now I have 1 hour time slots, so if someone literally wanted to book 3 time slots, by clicking on this drop down, this little box pops up in the top left hand corner. Some people I think could miss that, but it's up there in the left hand corner. Now having said that, I'm just going to leave this at 1 time slot, one hour time slot. Let's say I want to book next week at 9 a.m. on the 27th. I'm going to click on that, and once I click on this, this form opens up. And it tells me when you're going to book the time, and I fill in all the information. The appointment type, the only option is a meeting. That's the only option I've given them. So after someone fills in all of this information and clicks on Create Appointment, they will be able to create an appointment. So let me do this real quick for you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I've created all of this information. I've put in some fake information that I have, and at this point I'm going to click on Create Appointment. Now what's going to happen is it's going to add it to Act either one of two ways, either through the web version of Act that you have or through the Act Connect link that you will need to get that to work. And that's all set up beforehand in the configuration. So at this point, I could literally just leave it at this. I could go to my own calendar, or I can download it right here to add it to Outlook. So it tells me the appointment was created successfully, and now that's going to come in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it's going to look like on the other end. This is the email I just received saying that this email got booked. So I got the email notification for who it's with, the name, the company, the details, everything I need to know. So I just got notified that someone booked that time, and I got this via an email. So it's really a great little tool. I like it a lot. It's a great way to make it easier for people to schedule things versus that back and forth you need when you're working with contacts. Now this contact would have been created in Act, and the next time I synchronize my database, I'll see this person in Act. Works great. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.